Let's try this log question. It looks a little bit more challenging. They give you this equation of this function, f of x equals a log of x to base a, and they say determine what a is, but they give you a point. Whenever they give you a point, what do? You take that point, you take the y value and you put it in for f of x or y, and you take the x value of 8 and you put it in for x. So here's your problem. You've got the log of 8 to base a is equal to 3, and that means you change it. A log is an exponent. There's the base. You put it in exponential form. So a cubed is 8. That means a must be 2. A is 2. A is 2. That's it. I'm not sure what this m equals to, but there it is. A equals 2. Now the next question, determine the equation of the inverse, okay? Determine the equation of the inverse. And now that we know a is 2, there's the function, y equals the log of x to base 2, because we know that a is 2. I don't know what the m is there. Now, to find an inverse, you switch x and y, and then put it in exponential form. So it's y equals, there's the base, the log is the exponent, so it's y equals 2 to the x. All done. Now there's a new function 8. It's a reflection of this inverse in the y-axis. All you have to know is that a reflection in the x-axis, you change the y from positive to negative. There's the reflection. Let's multiply both sides by -1. So it feels like, to me, y equals minus 2 to the x, 2 to the x, and then a -1 in front. That is the equation of h right there. They said in the form y equals, no, so there it is. State the range of x. Well, you've got y equals 2 to the x. We know what that looks like. It goes up there like that. But y equals minus 2 to the x, you should know that it goes down. The first one goes up. That's the inverse. Looks like that. The other one goes down. It says, what's the range? What are all the possible things for y? Well, it can be any negative number, see, because there's a minus in front of here, but it can't get to 0. So all it is, the range is, y is any negative number. Y is less than 0, and y is any element of the real numbers. So that's it. All done.